Bhetki Bhapa is a Bengali style steamed fish recipe with coconut and mustard. This recipe is so popular and a not to be missed Bengali dish. Hello viewers, myself Suparna, welcome to Simply Food. Before starting today's video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of our new video. First take 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds in a bowl. Take 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and some green chilies. By adding little bit of water, make a nice paste. Now into the paste, add salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of mustard oil, add desiccated coconut. You can add coconut paste instead of desiccated coconut, then it will be a smooth mixture. Mix all the ingredients nicely and make a marination for the Bhetki fish. Adjust the quantity of green chilies as per your spice tolerance. Now take Bhetki fish or Barramundi pieces one by one into the marination. You can add little bit of more oil in the marination if it seems dry. Coat the fish pieces well with the marination. Clean and wash the fishes well. Marinate them for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, put some marination in a tiffin box, as I am going to steam the fish into tiffin box, and place the fish pieces gently. Make this recipe with fresh fish. If they are not fresh, you can marinate them with little bit of lime juice for 10 minutes, then wash little and marinate. Nicely cover them with the mustardy and coconutty marination. In this recipe, you can smell the pungent flavor coming from the mustard seeds, mustard oil and chilies. Put slated green chilies on each fish pieces. Put 2 tablespoons of mustard oil on them. Cover up it with the lid and place it into the pan of hot water. When the water is boiling lightly, then place the tiffin box. Cover the pan and cook for 20 minutes on medium heat. After 20 minutes, open the lid and open the tiffin box and it's ready. You can see it releases so much of oil. Our Bhetki Bhapa or steamed Barramundi fish is ready. Just have some hot rice in a plate and take a piece of fish and dig in. That's it for today's video. If you like this recipe, hit the like button. After watching this video, do subscribe to our channel and share our videos more and more. Thank you. Bye.